The state of dynamism is the future of architecture. The project Montecarlo in Ahmedabad stands testimony to this very future.
I am Shridip Shah. I am working as Head Techno Commercial in Montecarlo since last 8 years. We are not any regular construction and development company and hence wanted our corporate office in Ahmedabad to reflect our values in terms of design and architecture. And today we can see this vision transferred into reality.
My name is Ravi Sarangan. I'm one of the founder directors of Edifice, one of India's largest architectural practice. Saint Gobain came up with this brilliant idea of SageGlass, which killed two birds with one stone. It gave me an uninterrupted view of the West, as well as managed to keep the heat out.
Montecarlo has been a constant advocate for innovation and deploying SageGlass very seamlessly aligned with their vision. With its highly customizable control systems, smart functionality, and advanced mechanism, it shifted the dynamic control from the surrounding and external factors directly to the hands of the end user.
The electrochromic glass brings in a paradigm shift in architecture, making very dynamic because of the constant change internally and very environmental friendly. That was our primary goal, energy efficiency. The secondary goal was also attained by SageGlass, which gave me an uninterrupted view of the city.
This building is a testimony of intersection of technology and sustainability.
With an exhibition of stellar architecture, Montecarlo architecture symbolizes the future in its truest sense and propels our goal of moving towards a sustainable tomorrow, one tint at a time.